Ever wanted a YouTube channel that runs itself with videos made automatically for you? Well, I spent the last 30 days trying to do exactly that, using only AI. Did it work? Well, I made some crazy mistakes, I discovered some awesome hacks, and by the end, something totally unexpected happened to my channel. I'll show you everything I did. I'll tell you the problems I had, what worked, what didn't, and how much money I made. Ready? So, in case you don't know, what is YouTube automation anyway? What are we even talking about, right? I'm talking about all those things we do every day. Planning videos, writing scripts, even editing, and finding ways to automate it. That could be hiring a whole team to do it for you, or it could be leveraging AI. Me? I went the AI route, and I had two really good reasons for it. First, trying to build a team, finding the right people, experimenting to see if they're a fit. Trust me, that gets crazy expensive, and it eats up your time like crazy. I didn't want to spend a whole month and a ton of cash just on the hiring process. And the second reason is a big one, because I wanted to find the best AI tools for you guys. Seriously, I figured, why should you have to start completely from scratch, hunting down the good AI and sifting through all the junk? That's my job this month. So, AI it was. Now the next thing was to find the right niche for this YouTube automation channel. Of course, I did what everyone does. I googled high-paying YouTube niche. And surprise, surprise, the internet says it's gotta be business, investing, or insurance. Look, there's no official list, but it seems like everyone always points to those. And other YouTubers have probably told you the same thing, right? But here's what I've learned from my years of experience on YouTube. Those niches can be seriously tough, especially if you're just starting out and trying to get some views. So, after thinking about it, I landed on the health category. Here's why. Forget about niches like cooking. I mean, those videos are cool, but you might only get a couple of bucks per 1,000 views. Health-related videos? They can make way more. I'm talking potentially $8 to $12, maybe even more per 1,000 views. Plus, health has tons of sponsorship deals out there, so that's extra money flowing in. And get this, there's tons of affiliate products you can promote in that space, on platforms like ClickBank and Digistore24. Seriously, the commissions could be huge. Okay, now that I'd picked a niche, it was time to find the tools. That meant diving deep into the world of AI. I spent hours down the rabbit hole of research, and here's what I landed on. First up, for research and finding hot topics, I'm rolling with vidIQ and Answer the Public. Then, to make these scripts better and professional, I am using Suvo AI to rewrite the videos. Lastly, to turn the words into a kick-ass video, Pictory AI. And of course, to make the thumbnail super click-worthy, we are using Canva. Alright, so now the real detective work began. I needed to narrow down the health category to something manageable, to a sub-niche, and for that, I turned to my secret weapon, Answer the Public. Guys, using that tool, I unearthed a ton of ideas, but not all ideas are created equal, you know? That's where vidIQ came in. I used that to see how tough the competition was for each topic. So, my rule of thumb was pretty simple. I was on the hunt for keywords that got at least 25,000 searches every month and had super low competition. It took a bit of digging, but eventually, I found a few golden keywords that I'm gonna focus on. Okay, this is where things got really cool. Once I had the keywords, I went back to Suvo AI to brainstorm some killer video ideas that fit. And then, boom! Suvo AI, seriously, wrote the whole freaking script for me in like a second. I'm not even kidding. Think about that. Paying a content writer for something like this? We're talking like $80 to $100 per script. Get the link of this awesome tool in the description, of course. That gives a good push towards action. Anyway, with the rewritten scripts, the next phase of the process was turning that rewritten text into a visual, so I used Pictory AI. Alright, so the moment of truth. I hit publish, and then I did it again. I repeated this process for 2 videos. Unfortunately, reality hit hard, and that is why I am creating this video right now. Yeah, turns out, my first try with AI video editing, let's just say it didn't exactly explode. It appeared that my videos had a lower view count as expected. It was pretty obvious people were clicking away fast. A few seconds was all it took, so it looks like AI editing wasn't quite there yet. But hey, I'm not giving up. I know YouTube is all about that view duration and getting people hooked. So, if you're curious to see how I turn things around and want way more detail on all this stuff, make sure to leave a like, share it, and stick around until the end. Meanwhile, okay, this is where I had a breakthrough. I was scrolling YouTube and kept running into these amazing videos that sounded super professional, but something was weird. They all used text-to-speech, but like next level text-to-speech. So good you'd almost swear it was a real person. And their video editing was top-notch. I'm talking professional level. I instantly knew this was the secret. This is where SpeakTTS.com came along. I knew I had to use it. That's how I use these voices to create highly engaging voiceovers. These voices were made with AI.
In this video, we'll explore 5 awesome home workout methods to shake up your routine.
And they sound professional and realistic. Okay, so what was next? I knew I wanted next-level video editing. I thought of 2 things to do. My first thought was to edit myself. However, it goes against the whole automation of the process. I mean, investing all of my time defeats the whole point, doesn't it? So, that was a no. I decided that I would hire a professional video editor. As a beginner, I know that a lot of you may not have the money to invest in a professional video editor. It is expensive, and I feel you guys. To find an affordable video editor, I did some digging and found out that wishtodO.com offers top quality video editors at affordable prices. So, I decided to check them out, and I booked one. Now, I know you might not even have money to invest in a video editor at all. So for those who have the time and willingness, learn to edit. I've dropped links to helpful tutorials in the I button that will assist in learning the basics of video editing. Hiring a video editor or editing it by yourself, either way works. So the choice depends on you. Okay, so the first edited video came back from the freelancer, and I wasted no time getting it uploaded to YouTube. Of course, I wanted people to find it, so I used Suvo AI to come up with a killer title and description. Then I just came to know that my vidIQ free trial ended. But thanks to Suvo AI, it was not a big deal, as Suvo AI also has keyword tools, so I used that to write a few SEO-optimized tags for my video to get higher ranks in the search results. Everything was dialed in. I hit that publish button, and I was super pumped, because the editing is exceptionally captivating. Honestly, I was obsessed. I even watched it like 2-3 times. To give you a little peek, check out the intro.
In this video, we'll explore 5 awesome home workout methods to shake up your routine. From HIIT to yoga, we've got something for everyone. Get ready to sweat, burn calories, and achieve your fitness goals right from the comfort of your own home. Let's get started.
Okay, so after a few days, I decided those first videos edited by AI just weren't good enough. To play it safe, I unlisted them. I didn't want them hurting the channel's reputation. Then, the freelancer sent over 4 more videos, all professionally edited. I got them published right away. The whole system was working. I was writing scripts with Suvo AI, getting great voiceovers with Speak TTS, and getting professionally edited videos back fast. It was the right mix of good quality and consistent content. It's been an efficient and rewarding process for me. Then, seriously, things went crazy. My 7th and 8th videos exploded. I'm talking hundreds of views, then thousands in just a few hours. Subscribers started pouring in too. I went from 0 to 100, then past 200 subscribers. I swear, I couldn't stop hitting refresh on my numbers. It was unreal, like an addiction. I went a bit easier for last 2 weeks. Now, overall, in the last 1-month period, I made a total of 6 videos. My latest videos became the most viewed ones. It really has been an interesting process. Now look, let's be totally transparent. I'm not rolling in cash yet. Between hiring the editor and playing around with a few different AI tools, I have spent some money, but I'm looking at this in the long game. These videos, they're like assets. They've got the potential to earn for years to come. So, from that point of view, I genuinely think it's an investment that's worth making. It's about creating solid content that keeps drawing in viewers and bringing in income over time. Honestly, this whole side hustle has been surprisingly smooth so far and totally beginner-friendly. I'm really enjoying it. And the best part is, it doesn't take up my whole life. It's got serious potential for growth. So, here's the bottom line. AI is killer for voiceovers and whipping up scripts. Seriously, it saves so much time. But video editing? The AI just isn't quite there yet. You've got a couple of options. Learn to edit yourself or hire an editor from wishtodO.com. Let's jump into the exciting part, my results. My channel has clocked in an amazing 25,000 views across all videos. I'm thrilled to share that I've racked up 846 hours of watch time and welcomed 786 subscribers into our community. Oh, and here's a cool update. In my 3rd week, I made $15 from a sponsored link in the video description. Plus, I earned $35 for a quick 10-second product mention. And that's not all. I also made 7 sales through my affiliate links, adding up to about $112 in total earnings. These early successes in monetization have been incredibly motivating. But wait, there's more. To unlock monetization, I need to hit 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. With the current momentum, I believe we'll smash this milestone in another month, or maybe even sooner. Once monetized, I plan to bring on a team to help manage the channel, explore new revenue streams, and turn it into a full-fledged series where I can take you along on my journey. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You'll find all the links to the awesome AI tools I used in today in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and share it with your YouTuber buddies. If you have any questions regarding YouTube automation, leave a comment below. Now check out these videos to learn more awesome ways to make money online. See you in the next video.